After countless long-haul flights in economy class, I've discovered ways to not only survive but truly enjoy the experience. Today, I'll be sharing 27 tips that I found to be effective. So everyone, welcome back to Travel Vet. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more travel tips. Today, we're tackling a challenge that every traveler faces: getting through a long flight in economy class. Whether you're off to a sunny getaway or a lively city, these 27 tips will help you maximize your journey. Let's jump in! Tip number 1. Choose your seat wisely. When booking your flight, take a moment to consider your seating options. If you can, opt for an aisle seat. This gives you easy access to the bathroom and allows you to stretch your legs without having to climb over anyone. If you're traveling with a companion, sitting in the middle and window seats can create a cozy atmosphere. But remember, the aisle seat is the most convenient for movement. Tip number 2. Pack a travel pillow. A good travel pillow can be a game changer for getting some shut-eye during your flight. Look for one that provides neck support and is easy to pack. There are various types available, from inflatable ones to memory foam. Some even come with a built-in eye mask. This will help you create a comfortable sleeping environment, making it easier to drift off, even in the cramped space of economy class. Tip number 3. Bring a lightweight blanket or shawl. Airplanes can get chilly, and having a lightweight blanket or shawl can make a world of difference. Not only does it keep you warm, but it can also serve as a makeshift pillow or even a privacy shield if you want to take a nap. Look for travel blankets that are compact and easy to pack, or consider a large scarf that can double as a blanket and a fashion accessory when you arrive at your destination. Tip number 4. Don't forget your snacks. When it comes to long flights, airplane food can be hit or miss, and you might find yourself feeling hungry between meals. To keep your energy up and avoid the temptation of unhealthy options, pack some healthy snacks. Consider items like mixed nuts, granola bars, or dried fruit. These snacks are not only nutritious, but also easy to pack and won't spoil. You can also bring some dark chocolate for a little treat. Just remember to check the airline's regulations on food items before you pack. Tip number 5. Hydrate. Staying hydrated during your flight is crucial, especially since the cabin air can be quite dry. Bring an empty water bottle with you to fill up after passing through security. Many airports have water refill stations, so you can easily stay hydrated without having to buy expensive bottled water. Aim to drink water regularly throughout the flight, and consider avoiding excessive caffeine or alcohol, as they can contribute to dehydration. Tip number 6. Download movies or shows before your flight. In-flight entertainment can be hit or miss, and you don't want to rely solely on what the airline offers. Before your flight, take some time to download your favorite movies, TV shows, or even podcasts onto your device. This way, you'll have a selection of entertainment that you know you'll enjoy. Make sure to download them while you're connected to Wi-Fi, and don't forget to bring your headphones. Tip number 7. Wear comfortable clothing. When it comes to air travel, comfort is key. Opt for clothing made from breathable fabrics that allow for movement, such as cotton or moisture-wicking materials. Layering is a smart strategy, as it lets you adjust to the varying temperatures on the plane. Start with a comfortable base layer, like a soft t-shirt or tank top, and add a light sweater or cardigan that you can easily take off if it gets warm. Don't forget about your bottom half. Loose-fitting pants or leggings can make a long flight much more bearable. And of course, wear comfortable shoes, as you may need to walk through the airport or stand in line. Tip number 8. Use noise-canceling headphones or earplugs. Airplanes can be noisy environments, with the hum of the engines and chatter from fellow passengers. To create a more peaceful atmosphere, invest in a good pair of noise-canceling headphones or bring along some earplugs. Noise-canceling headphones not only block out ambient noise, but can also enhance your listening experience if you're watching movies or listening to music. If you prefer earplugs, look for ones that are designed for travel, as they can provide a comfortable fit for long periods. Tip number 9. Bring an eye mask to help you sleep better. Light can be a significant distraction when trying to catch some sleep on a flight. An eye mask can help block out unwanted light, creating a darker environment that's more conducive to rest. Look for a mask that's soft and adjustable for maximum comfort. Some masks even come with added features like cooling gel or aromatherapy to enhance relaxation. Pairing your eye mask with your travel pillow and noise-canceling headphones can create a cozy sleep sanctuary, making it easier to doze off during your journey. Tip number 10. Move around. It's essential to keep your blood circulating during long flights. Aim to get up every couple of hours to stretch your legs and walk around the cabin. This not only helps prevent stiffness, but also reduces the risk of deep vein thrombosis, a condition that can occur during prolonged periods of sitting. When you stand up, take a short stroll down the aisle, and if you can, do a few gentle stretches to loosen up your muscles. Even a quick walk to the restroom can make a difference in how you feel during and after the flight. Tip number 11. Do some in-seat exercises. If getting up isn't an option, you can still keep your body active while seated. Simple in-seat exercises can help prevent stiffness and improve circulation. Try ankle circles, where you lift your feet off the ground and rotate your ankles in both directions. You can also do seated leg lifts by extending one leg at a time and holding it for a few seconds. Additionally, shoulder rolls and neck stretches can relieve tension and help you feel more comfortable. These small movements can make a big difference in how you feel during your flight. Tip number 12. Stay hydrated. Hydration is crucial when flying, as the cabin air can be quite dry, leading to dehydration. Make it a habit to drink water regularly throughout your flight. Aim for at least 1 glass of water for every hour of travel. If you're unsure how much water to drink, consider setting a timer on your phone as a reminder. You can also enhance your hydration by eating water-rich snacks like fruits or vegetables, if you have them on hand. Avoid excessive caffeine and alcohol, as they can contribute to dehydration. Staying hydrated will help you feel more energized and less fatigued upon arrival. Tip number 13. Bring a good book or e-reader to keep you entertained. A long flight is the perfect opportunity to dive into a captivating story or learn something new. Whether you prefer fiction, nonfiction, or graphic novels, having a book or e-reader on hand can make the hours fly by. If you choose an e-reader, consider downloading a few titles in advance to ensure you have plenty of options. Look for genres that truly engage you, as this will help pass the time and keep your mind occupied. Plus, reading can be a great way to relax and escape into another world while you're in the air. Tip number 14. Download podcasts or audiobooks for a change of pace. If you're looking for a different form of entertainment, podcasts and audiobooks are fantastic options. They allow you to listen and engage without needing to focus on a screen. Before your trip, explore various genres, be it true crime, comedy, self-improvement, or storytelling, and download a few episodes or an entire audiobook to your device. This way, you can switch things up and enjoy a mix of content during your flight. Listening can also be a great way to unwind, especially if you choose something soothing or inspiring. Tip number 15. Bring a travel journal to document your journey and thoughts. Keeping a travel journal is a wonderful way to capture your experiences, thoughts, and feelings during your trip. Use it to jot down your travel itinerary, memorable moments, or even sketches of the scenery. Writing can be therapeutic and helps you reflect on your journey. Plus, it's a great way to disconnect from screens and engage with your thoughts. If you're not sure where to start, consider prompts like "What am I looking forward to on this trip?" or "What was the highlight of my day?" This practice can enhance your travel experience and provide lasting memories to look back on. Tip number 16. Pack a small toiletry bag with essentials like face wipes, moisturizer, and lip balm. The dry air in airplane cabins can really take a toll on your skin, leading to dryness and discomfort. To combat this, prepare a compact toiletry bag filled with travel-sized essentials. Face wipes are great for refreshing your skin and removing any grime, while a good moisturizer can help hydrate your face and keep it feeling soft. Don't forget lip balm, as your lips can easily become chapped during the flight. Consider also including hand cream and a small spray bottle of facial mist for an extra boost of hydration. These little items can make a big difference in how comfortable you feel throughout your journey. Tip number 17. Consider bringing a small first aid kit with any medications you might need. It's always a good idea to be prepared for minor health issues while traveling. Pack a small first aid kit that includes any personal medications you may need, such as pain relievers, allergy medications, or any prescription drugs. Additionally, include items like Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, and motion sickness tablets. Having these essentials on hand can help you address any unexpected situations quickly and ensure you stay comfortable during your flight. It's better to be safe than sorry, especially when you're away from home. Tip number 18. Use compression socks to improve circulation during long flights. Long periods of sitting can lead to poor circulation and swelling in your legs and feet. Compression socks are designed to apply gentle pressure to your legs, helping to improve blood flow and reduce the risk of swelling and discomfort. They can be especially beneficial for those who are prone to leg cramps or have a history of circulation issues. When choosing compression socks, look for ones that are comfortable and fit well. Wearing them during your flight can help you arrive at your destination feeling more refreshed and ready to explore. Tip number 19. Set your watch to your destination's time zone as soon as you board. This simple act can significantly help you adjust mentally to the new time zone. By changing your watch or device to your destination's time, you start to align your mindset with the local schedule, making it easier to adapt once you arrive. This can be particularly helpful if you're traveling across multiple time zones, as it prepares you for the shift in your daily routine. It's a small but effective way to minimize jet lag and get into the right frame of mind for your trip. Tip number 20. Practice mindfulness or meditation techniques to stay calm and relaxed. Traveling can sometimes be stressful, especially during long flights or layovers. Incorporating mindfulness or meditation into your travel routine can help you stay centered and calm. Before your flight, consider downloading a meditation app or a few guided sessions that you can listen to during your journey. Simple breathing exercises can also be effective. Try inhaling deeply for a count of 4, holding for 4, and exhaling for 4. This practice can help reduce anxiety and create a sense of peace, allowing you to enjoy the journey more fully. Tip number 21. Have a positive mindset. Remember, the journey is part of the adventure. Traveling is not just about reaching your destination, it's also about the experiences you gather along the way. Embrace the unexpected moments, whether it's a delay, a new friend you meet, or a beautiful view from your window. Keeping a positive attitude can transform challenges into memorable stories. Remind yourself that every part of the journey contributes to your overall experience, and try to find joy in the little things, like the excitement of takeoff or the thrill of exploring a new place. A positive mindset can enhance your travel experience and make it even more enjoyable. Tip number 22. Be courteous to your fellow passengers. If you need to get up, politely ask them to move. Air travel can be a tight squeeze, and being considerate of those around you goes a long way in creating a pleasant atmosphere. If you find yourself needing to get up, whether it's to use the restroom or stretch your legs, make sure to politely ask your neighbors to move. A simple, "Excuse me, could I please get by?" can make all the difference. Remember to smile and thank them for their cooperation. This small act of kindness can help foster a friendly environment and make the flight more enjoyable for everyone. Tip number 23. Keep your area tidy. A clean space can help you feel more comfortable. Maintaining a tidy personal space on the plane not only helps you feel more organized, but also contributes to a more pleasant experience for those around you. Before settling in, take a moment to stow your bags properly and ensure your belongings are neatly arranged. If you have snacks or drinks, try to keep them contained to your area. At the end of the flight, take a moment to gather your trash and dispose of it properly. A clean space can help reduce stress and make your journey feel more comfortable and enjoyable. Tip number 24. Respect the armrest rules. If you're in the middle seat, you get both. Armrest etiquette can be a bit tricky, especially in tight seating arrangements. Generally, the middle seat passenger is considered to have the right to both armrests, as they are in the least favorable position. If you find yourself in the middle seat, feel free to use both armrests to make your flight more comfortable. If you're in an aisle or window seat, be mindful of this and try to give the middle seat passenger some space. A little consideration can go a long way in ensuring everyone has a more pleasant flight experience. Tip number 25. Set an alarm for when you're about to land so you can gather your belongings. As your flight approaches its destination, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement and forget about your belongings. To avoid the last-minute scramble, set an alarm on your phone for about 15 to 20 minutes before landing. This will give you a heads up to start gathering your items, ensuring you don't leave anything behind. Use this time to check under your seat and in the seat pocket in front of you for any personal items. Being organized will help you disembark smoothly and start your adventure without any stress. Tip number 26. Have your travel documents ready for when you disembark? Once the plane lands, there's often a rush to get off, especially if you're in a busy airport. To make this process easier, have your travel documents, such as your passport, boarding pass, and any necessary visas, easily accessible. Consider using a travel wallet or a designated pocket in your carry-on bag to keep everything organized. This way, you won't have to fumble through your belongings at the last minute, and you can move through customs and immigration more efficiently. Tip number 27. Take a moment to stretch and breathe deeply when you land. You made it. After a long flight, your body deserves a little TLC. Once you've disembarked, take a moment to stretch your legs and arms. A few gentle stretches can help relieve any tension built up during the flight. Additionally, take a few deep breaths to help you transition from the confined space of the airplane to the open environment of your destination. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a moment, and exhale slowly through your mouth. This simple practice can help you feel refreshed and ready to embrace your new surroundings. Remember, you've made it to your destination. Celebrate that accomplishment. And there you have it, 27 tips for surviving a long flight in economy. I hope you found these tips helpful and that they will make your next journey a little more comfortable and enjoyable. Traveling can be challenging, especially in economy class, but with the right strategies, you can turn a long flight into a more pleasant experience. If you did find these tips useful, please give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps me create more content like this and reach fellow travelers who might benefit from these insights. Also, don't forget to share this video with your travel buddies. Whether they're seasoned travelers or planning their first long-haul flight, these tips can help everyone navigate the skies a bit easier. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your best tip for surviving long flights? Maybe you have a favorite snack, a must-have travel accessory, or a unique way to pass the time. Let me know in the comments below. I love reading your suggestions and sharing ideas with our travel community. Safe travels, everyone. Remember to stay positive and embrace the journey, no matter how long it may be. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll explore more travel tips and tricks. Until then, take care and happy travels. Bye!